Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the newest CapCut effects, the Photo Slinky tutorial. So if you guys didn't know, there is a new style effects that you can apply to a photo in CapCut. So here I've already added 3 photos to my CapCut, and then if you want to try the Photo Slinky, you can just click on the photo and then find style, and here it is, the newest style of Photo Slinky. You can just click on the style Photo Slinky and it will apply to your photo, and I'm going to apply to my whole photo and then click on a check icon, and here is the result. So it will like move slinky like that. Apparently it will just apply to a photo like this. So yeah, that's the tutorial on how you can apply a Photo Slinky in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click on like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next following videos. Thank you.